Hey y'all, it's Katie. Welcome back to From My Vanity, and I wanted to introduce to you my sister Lydia. If you've been watching my channel and at all keeping up with me on Instagram, you know that my kids have been sick. I've been sick. It's been a little insane, but regardless of being sick, I've still been able to put up about 2 videos a week, and it is because of this girl right here. She's been staying with me for about a month, almost a little under a month, and helping me out around the house and helping me with the kids. So it is totally because of her that I was still able to keep up my crazy YouTube schedule. So I just wanted to put her on the channel real quick. You probably heard her a little bit in the background cleaning up while I've been recording, and yeah. She's pretty darn amazing. But today's video is just going to be a really short and simple one. I am behind on videos because of being sick, and along with being sick, we were gone for 2 weeks, so I wasn't able to pre-film as much as I had wanted to. But I am back and trying to get my life back in order, and one of the things that needs to get back in order is my makeup table, along with just coming home and having all the makeup that I took. I have a lot of makeup just sitting out from who knows what. It's a wreck in front of me, isn't it? Yes. It's a wreck, and then on top of it just being a mess, I also really need to like deep clean my drawers and wipe down my acrylics. So I thought it'd be fun to just do a little clean with me video, and that's what we're gonna do. You guys can watch me organize, clean out, and just kind of wipe down my makeup table in front of me. So I hope that sounds interesting to you, and let's just go ahead and jump right into it.
You like to play your own game. Cover it up, don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. Cover it up, you like to play your own game. Cover it up, don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be.
So there you go. Now my makeup table is all nice and clean. It looks a lot better. It's a lot easier to focus and just do my makeup each day. And now I can actually do my monthly makeup review series and do my shop my stash without going crazy with the mess that was in front of me. I think that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much, Lydia, for being here with me. And thank you so much for being here the past month. I know you guys really appreciated me sticking to my schedule this past month, and like I said, it's all because she was able to be here and she cleaned my kitchen every day. I don't think I've cleaned my kitchen or hardly made dinner for the last month, and it's been pretty awesome. So anyway, I just wanted to have her on here real quick so you guys could be introduced to her. And she is my, let's see, you're my 8th. She's my 8th sibling, my 4th, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th sister. Yeah, 5th sister. So I was really excited to have her here and stay with me for a month. But anyway, I think that's going to about wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.